All right, so I'm talking about my Underseat Pro. I showed a video, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, how to pack your clothes. And I've had some people ask what else I take with me, so I'm gonna kind of show you this. And I want you to know that I used to go through all my toiletries in my drawer and pull all that stuff out and put it into a bag and then put it in this bag. But now this stuff just lives here because it's so much easier to pack when you already have that stuff packed. So I got a couple different bags here, and all the liquids go in here, TSA requirement. So again, these things just kind of live here. They're all the appropriate size. This might be a little too big actually. I got my deodorant, the toothpaste lives in there. Sea to Summit has this cool bag that's really durable, and it comes with these fluid containers, so shampoo. I got some sunscreen, some chapstick, and then these are like those Tide Pod type things. I just keep a couple of those in there, and then there's one missing because I used it, so that goes with me. And then I have a dry bag too for all the dried stuff. We got cotton swabs, otherwise known as Q-tips. And if you have medications or whatever, that can go in there. These things are for flossing because I don't like sticking my fingers in my mouth. I keep a comb in there. Again, this stuff lives in here. This is in the wrong bag. This is lotion that goes over there. I keep a fingernail clipper. For medicine, this is melatonin so I can sleep at night. And I've got contact in there. And then a spare set of contacts. And then evidently I keep my wedding ring in there. And then this is a toothbrush, and this is just my travel toothbrush. It's small sized. It's a kid's toothbrush. Fits a lot better. And I mean, of course you can get the kind that break in half and stack in themselves, but I like the kid toothbrush. Got those by accident one time and I really liked it. So I also, these come out of the bag sometimes, but these are just earbuds that stop the noise, which is really important. Sometimes I'll take earplugs as well because loud people and loud situations. I just got a glasses wipe to wipe glasses with, a pencil, an emergency thing of coffee just in case. Don't want to misplace that. A couple of snack bars. I always take a Sharpie with me, and there's another pencil. You can see I've been just kind of in and out of this because it's not perfect. This is just to wipe your hands with. I got this at Famous Dave's. He didn't pay me to say that, but got done. And then Jill and I also like to play some games when we go. And we have found that you can do a lot of things with, well, this is a cribbage board. That's the most compact cribbage board that I could find. And so we take this with us so we can play games. Of course, with a cribbage board, you're also going to need a set of cards. So we take a deck of cards with us. This is a little travel set of dominoes that we take. On the back, we have an arrow because we forget whose turn it is and we turn it back and forth. Power cord for the phone. Again, this lives in there because I always forget it. And also the wall charger. I don't know what brand that is because I just bought whatever there was when I forgot one on the trip. And then I got a little note composition book for keeping score with different games and things like that. And dice. With dice, cards, and dominoes, you can play about 10,000 games. So those things now just live in the bag. A lot of times before I leave, I'll just check to make sure I have everything. If I'm in a real big hurry, I pack my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shove it in there. Everything else is in there. I'm out the door. It used to take like an hour to pack. Now it takes like 5 minutes. And if I get somewhere and I don't have something, I just buy it. But with this stuff living there, it makes it so much easier.